The idea of going back to school for your nursing degree can be daunting, but Chamberlain University is here to help. We are going to guide you through the process of applying. You can follow along with the application checklist on the screen so you can be assured you're on the right track. We will go over the procedure for your application, your transcript, and the HESI assessment. First, your application. If you start an application, you can save and return to it at your convenience. If you have already completed your application, congratulations! You are well on your way to completing the admissions process. Applicants must submit a transcript documenting proof of graduation from a Chamberlain-recognized high school or an institution. There is acceptable and unacceptable documentation for awarding credit. Documentation is acceptable if it mentions the student's name, the institution's name, course information, grades associated with the course, and the graduation date. For high school applicants, a school counselor must submit the most up-to-date transcript at the time of application, then a complete transcript upon graduation. Additional transcripts for potential transfer credit can be submitted directly to our registrar using the contact information below. Acceptable documentation includes, but is not limited to, transcripts sent from an institution via fax, mail, or email, degree audits, web printouts, student copy, photograph or scanned copy of a transcript if it is legible. All applicants for our pre-licensure BSN programs can submit their HESI, TEAS, ACT, or SAT scores from the last 5 years for admission consideration. If you have not completed any of the above, you will have one opportunity to take the HESI Admissions Assessment through Chamberlain prior to admission. An enrollment representative will send you instructions on how to register for the online assessment. Chamberlain offers a no-cost BSN Readiness Course. This course helps prospective and currently enrolled students with entrance exams such as the HESI and coursework within our BSN program. Chamberlain University is the #1 largest BSN program in the United States. We dedicate resources to help you succeed on your journey to becoming a skilled nursing professional. So take the next step and apply today.